To use Google Analytics API with Python, you first need to create a project in the Google Cloud Console and enable the Google Analytics API. This will provide you with the credentials needed to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to install the Google API Client library for Python using pip. This library provides a simple and convenient way to access the Google Analytics API from your Python application. Once you have installed the library, you can import it into your Python script and authenticate using the credentials you obtained earlier. You will need to select the account and property you want to access and authorize the API to access your Google Analytics data. After authenticating, you can use the API to retrieve data from Google Analytics. The API provides a range of methods for retrieving data, including the ability to fetch page views, bounce rates, and other metrics. You can also use the API to create and manage goals, events, and other configuration data. To retrieve data, you will need to specify the metrics and dimensions you are interested in, as well as the date range for the data. You can also apply filters to narrow down the data to specific segments of your audience. Best practices for using the Google Analytics API with Python include handling errors and exceptions properly, caching data to reduce the number of API requests, and using the API to automate repetitive tasks. You should also be aware of the usage guidelines and limits for the Google Analytics API, including the number of requests you can make per day and the amount of data you can retrieve per request. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Google Analytics API with Python to unlock the full potential of your Google Analytics data and build powerful and insightful applications. Key concepts to keep in mind include authentication, authorization, and data retrieval. You should also be familiar with the Google Analytics data model, including metrics, dimensions, and segments. Practical examples of using the Google Analytics API with Python include building a dashboard to display key metrics, automating the creation of custom reports, and integrating Google Analytics data with other tools and platforms. Overall, using the Google Analytics API with Python provides a powerful and flexible way to access and manipulate your Google Analytics data, and can help you to gain deeper insights into your website or application and make data-driven decisions.